Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about indexing problems on your website and how to solve them. When you enable directory indexing on your website, it can be useful to help your visitors navigate through your files and directories. However, it can also create security problems and other issues. In this video, we'll show you how to disable and enable directory indexing using htaccess file. Indexing problem. When you enable indexing, visitors can see a list of files and directories within the directory that has indexes enabled. This can be a security risk, as it makes it easier for someone to find sensitive information on your website. Additionally, indexing can slow down your website's load time and make it difficult for search engines to properly index your pages. This can negatively impact your SEO and cause problems with your website's visibility in search results. Disabling indexing. To disable indexing on your website, you can use the htaccess file. This is a configuration file that controls how your website works. To disable indexing, you need to add the following code to your htaccess file. Options indexes. This code will disable indexing on your entire website. Once you've added this code to your htaccess file, save the file and upload it to your server. This will disable indexing and help prevent security problems and other issues. Enabling indexing. If you need to enable indexing on your website, you can use the following code in your htaccess file. Options plus indexes. This will enable indexing on your entire website. However, be aware that enabling indexing can create security problems and other issues, so it's generally best to avoid it unless you have a specific reason to use it. That's it for this video. We've shown you how to disable and enable indexing on your website using htaccess file. Remember, disabling indexing can help prevent security problems and other issues on your website, so it's generally a good idea to use it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.